मेरी ये सरदारनी है.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roshni, and just for your information, tomorrow is Valentine's Day. So today I'm filming for the night. I decided to set up a cute romantic setup here, right here in my room for my partner. So today is a night's plan, and this is so an impromptu vlog. I decided to vlog it suddenly, so I hope you like it. I have certain ideas to decor this area over here. As you can see, it's just blank, and I just want to give it a cute romantic setup right here. I have some things over here light on my table that I will use it in this vlog and decor it right away. I have so many things to do and I'm already running late. So these are some of the things that are over here on the table. Surprise, he doesn't know what's gonna happen. So these are the candles and aromatic candle and lights, LED lights, and also these balloons which I have to blow it now, and I just have 2 hours. The plan is exactly a surprise for the midnight today. We'll have some romantic setup here and some dinner is planned, which I'm cooking. I don't know if I'll be able to cook it on time or not because I have this whole setup to do. This is the table. This is how the wall is. It's all blank. It's near the window. And here the carpet is already set up. So it will give a cute setup for me for the dinner today. First and foremost thing, let's start blowing the balloons. These are all heart-shaped balloons. Just 2 balloons to go, and it's so scary. It's painful, but I'm enjoying it. Next, I'm thinking that I will be using these LED lights and hang it right over here. Bye. Okay, so far so good. All the balloons lying on the floor, and this is how I managed to use the lights. And now let's use these candles. So the plan is that I'll be putting up these candles right on the corner of the floor till here. Some chicken that I cooked, and here's a rajma. So this is how my setup is a little bit complete, and when I turn it off, this is how it will look. I have to burn these candles, so this is the pathway for the surprise. So I got these stuff from buyanyflowers.com. This is of red roses with vase, and here's a cake, yummy cake, which I'll show you in a sec. And this is a gift, some bath gift that I think it will be nice to give him a little something. That's aroma hamper for him. There's this lamp, diffuser lamp, there's a soap, hand towel, and aroma oil here in it. So I'll just wrap it like this, and we'll be giving with this flower. And this is a nice cake. Let me show you. This is a triple chocolate cake. Yum yum yum. So these things will be kept it right on this table. So I got ready, and it's almost 8ish, and he's almost on his way to this place, and I'm all dressed up. Actually, this color I told him to wear in the morning itself, so we'll be matching. I messed up with the balloons and the sticking part because I don't know, these walls are so good that the glue on the sellotape, they're not taking it up, and I don't have any alternate option to stick these balloons over here. So I kind of messed it up and sort of arranged it in a manner that it's like circling around the table. So this is how my table looks like, but it's kind of cool. I need to still light up these candles over here. Date is incomplete without a wine, so I'm placing this wine bottle also, this aromatic candle. Lit all the candles. It has come time for the surprise. अभी नहीं खोलना हाँ?
Wow. Really? Thank you.
Happy Valentine Day.
Thank you.
वो भी है flowers.
प्यारे दिता में मेरी ये सरदानी है ओ तनु उम्र मेरी लग जावे ओ तनु उम्र मेरी लग जावे केक बस हो गया। Meow.